How to add subtitles in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Canva application and then upload a video. Go to the video. You can also use templates if you want. So after that, go to the gallery and then upload your video. Go to add to page and from here scroll and you will see
How to download all files from
more
Google
option.
Drive at once.
Now, if you cannot find the caption option, what you will have to do is go to text and then add a text box. After that, write your caption over here. You can also change its size, font and placement as well. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.